Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up select SAE J1772 versus CCS charging ports, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all necessary equipment and tools for installation. Ensure that you have both SAE J1772 and CCS charging ports available. Review the manufacturer's specifications for each charging port to understand their requirements. Choose a suitable location for the charging station, ensuring it meets local regulations. Prepare the installation site by clearing any obstructions and ensuring a flat, stable surface. If necessary, obtain any required permits from local authorities before proceeding. Install the mounting bracket for the charging port according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Secure the port to the mounting bracket, making sure all screws are tightened properly. Connect the electrical wiring to the charging port following the wiring diagram provided by the manufacturer. Make sure to use appropriate wire gauges and conduit to ensure safety and compliance. Next, connect the charging port to your power source, ensuring all connections are insulated. Test the electrical connections with a multimeter to confirm proper voltage and continuity. Once all electrical work is completed, secure the charging port cover to protect it from environmental factors. For the SAE J1772 port, ensure the connector can lock securely to the vehicle. For the CCS port, verify that both AC and DC charging functionalities are available. After confirming the installation, power on the system to check for any error codes. Perform a functionality test by plugging in a compatible electric vehicle to each charging port. Monitor the charging process to ensure everything is operating as expected. If any issues arise during testing, refer to the troubleshooting section of the manufacturer's manual. Once fully operational, finalize any additional settings required for network connectivity or user management. Document the installation process and keep a record of the equipment used for future reference. Now your charging station with both SAE J1772 and CCS ports is ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.